Hi everyone, my name's David. Today we're going to be learning how to make bubbles. In order to make Questacon's famous secret bubble mixture, we're going to need some ingredients. First up, we're going to need a whole lot of water to mix our ingredients together in. Next, we're going to grab a little bit of dish detergent. This is going to be a surfactant to add into our mixture. And we're going to pour that in just like that. There we go. That'll make our water nice and bubbly, but we need some extra stuff to help our bubbles hold together. And for that, we're going to use some guar gum. Just a little tiny spoon of this will be enough to help our bubbles be nice and solid. Finally, we're going to add just a sprinkling of bicarb soda. Now you can find all of this in your house or at the shops. Just a little bit up the top there. Then we're going to mix it all together nice and slowly so it doesn't get too foamy. We don't want lots of bubbles just yet. We're going to mix, we're going to mix, and we're going to mix. You're going to notice your solution becoming a little bit gel-like as we go. That's exactly what we want. Once it's all mixed together, you're going to leave it for a little while, maybe a couple of minutes, maybe a couple of hours. The longer you leave it, the better it's going to set. That said, you can use it straight away. While I leave this one to settle down, we're going to use this one that I prepared a little bit earlier. Next, we're going to need a bubble wand to blow our bubbles with. And you can make these at home real easily. You could use some wire, maybe an old coat hanger with your parents' assistance, or we could use some pipe cleaners and just wrap them around each other. I've made a couple earlier. And now we can dunk it in our bubble mixture, bring it out, and give it a blow to make some lovely big Questacon bubbles. Thanks everyone for watching. If you want to learn how to do experiments like this and more, you can find it all on the Questacon website. My name's David, and I'll see you at Questacon.